Hello everyone, my name is Minko Gechev. I'm working on Angular at Google. Today, in this video, I'll want to show you how you can use Angular DevTools to preview the structure of your application and profile its performance. Angular DevTools is a Chrome DevTools extension that you can download from the Chrome Web Store. You can find a link in the description below. When you install Angular DevTools, you can go to Extensions and pin it. The next step is to open an application running in development mode. See how the color of the icon changed to red, indicating we can debug the application. Now let us open Chrome DevTools and find the Angular tab. Here we can preview the componentry of the application. Once we select a component, we can find its metadata, properties, inputs and outputs in the right panel, and we can modify them directly from the UI. Now let us navigate to the Profiler tab and start recording change detection events. We can preview change detection cycles as they occur in real time. Each bar in the timeline corresponds to a separate change detection cycle. We can find how much time we spent in change detection and whether the current cycle caused any frame drops. We can also preview the estimated frame rate and what triggered change detection. At the bottom, we can preview the components we spent the most time in. When we select a bar, we can see further details for the particular component. To better understand the application's execution, we can switch between the default bar chart view or the two alternative views, flame graph and tree map. That is all I had for you today. Head to angular.io/devtools to find more advanced Angular DevTools features. Thank you very much for watching and happy coding!